Welcome to my channel. Fix your TP Link Archer BE800 Wi-Fi 7 router connection problems now. 1. Check power and cable connections. First, make sure your TP Link Archer BE800 router is properly plugged in. Check that the power adapter and internet cable are firmly connected. A loose cable can easily cause connection problems. 2. Restart the router and modem. Turn off your router and modem. Wait for about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This quick restart often fixes temporary network glitches. 3. Check internet service status. Confirm that your internet service is working. Try connecting another device directly to the modem. If there's still no internet, the issue may be from your service provider. 4. Move the router to a better location. Place the router in a central, open area of your home. Avoid walls, metal objects, and electronic interference that can weaken the Wi-Fi signal. 5. Update router firmware. Log in to the router settings and check for firmware updates. Installing the latest update improves performance and fixes bugs. 6. Reconnect your devices. Forget the Wi-Fi network on your phone or laptop and reconnect again. This refreshes the connection and can solve many pairing issues. 7. Check Wi-Fi settings. Make sure the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password are correct. Also confirm that the correct band, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or 6 GHz, is enabled. 8. Reduce network congestion. Disconnect unused devices from the network. Too many connected devices can slow down or interrupt your connection. 9. Reset the router, if needed. If nothing works, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds to factory reset the router. Then set it up again from scratch. 10. Contact TP Link support. If the problem continues, reach out to TP Link customer support for professional help. That's it. Follow these simple steps, and your router should be back online in minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching.